Oh, parkour. Yo guys, thank you guys so much for all the support lately on my channel. You guys are absolutely insane with all the love. Like I said guys, thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I just can't say it enough. It means a lot to me. I'm on my way to the car meet right now with the homie Nick right here with his Q50. We're about to pull up and show you guys some sick whips hopefully. This Q, looking fresh. Yo guys, check it out, there's a cop here at the meter already. Yo, we're getting kicked out already, yo. These Andrews 240 right here. Got a S Deuce. Got the Qs right there guys. Got a Type R with it. We got the cuz in the house right here. Oh no, these are the white boys, huh? They're not cuz. Yo, I'm gonna show you guys some of the sick cars here. Some of my favorites. Let me know which one's your guys' favorites down in the comments. The TE's on that looks good. Yo. Got the R888s.
Yeah, I don't really. I can react
Is that Danny Duncan 69?
No, you're good. I can watch that.
My homie Brandon right here. I'm gonna link his Instagram down below for you guys. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna go for a canyon run.
Tomorrow for sure.
Rub. Is that Craig? His eyes are so beautiful, bro. We got the squad right here, guys. We're about to go out for the cruise. I took off my front bumper because there's no point of having the front bumper on when I'm going up north. Like 3 hours. Oh my God. Yeah guys, we're about to pull up to Sedona. I'm gonna get some rolling shots of us getting there, show you guys the journey. But yeah, it should be pretty dope. I've actually never been up there. Hopefully you guys enjoy the ride with me. We're not speeding, guys. We're going the speed limit. Well. Yo guys, we officially made it to Sedona. And wow, first thoughts guys, this is absolutely beautiful out here. It's beautiful out here guys, no cap.
Everybody notice me, yeah. I can even go to sleep.
Yo, this is when I wish I was tuned right now guys. Full bolt-ons 85. This is perfect boost weather. It's 46 degrees out right now. Of course. Yo guys, we just pulled up. Check it out. This is Slide Rock, Arizona. This is in Sedona, right? Basically.
It's Mexico.
This is Mexico actually guys. Like how beautiful Mexico is. You guys were hauling ass too.
Us?
Yeah.
Oh, it's slow.
Yeah, right? It's slow. Craig. This is Craig's first time as well out here in Sedona. I brought the beaters today too. I wanted the black Air Force Ones. Yo, I think we're about to go down there right now, guys. Show you guys the water from close up. Bro, you're a savage, dog. Literally sitting on the edge. Well, guys, the water's like 10 below. It's so cold. Yo, check out how deep this water is right here, guys. You guys can literally see it all the way to the bottom. It's so clear. Are you gonna dive in? Backflip, bro. Oh my god. You guys, look at the perfect positioning of this boulder right here. Oh, parkour. Do a flip.
Other hand.
Rock climbing 2020 gone wrong. There you go.
That's it.
Okay, now try and get down.
We're gonna do a quick little photo shoot right here, guys, and then we're gonna go grab some food. Absolutely starving right now. Well, we ain't good today, boys. I even picked up this little Minecraft lollipop. Look at the shape of this lollipop. So yeah, you guys, that's basically gonna be it. We're just gonna mob back home to the crib. I'll catch you guys next time. Hit that thumbs up for me. Drop a comment down below. Make sure you guys subscribe. We'll just keep running it up and just go from here. Peace.